Hello everyone. Thank you for joining. Today, I'll walk you through installing and configuring PostgreSQL with Patroni. Patroni is an automation layer that manages leader election and failover, typically with etcd or console. Before we begin, ensure you have Linux servers with Python 3, PostgreSQL, a DCS, and a load balancer. On each node, install PostgreSQL with sudo apt update and sudo apt install PostgreSQL, PostgreSQL contrib. Install Patroni with pip install Patroni etcd and pip install psychopg2 binary. Configure patroni.yml. Set the node name, scope, REST API addresses, data directory, and replication user. Start etcd, verify cluster health, and then start Patroni with sudo patroni etc patroni yml. For demonstration, stop the leader to trigger failover and watch a new leader get elected. Best practices: secure communications, monitor the cluster, run at least 3 DCS members, and keep regular backups. That's the overview. Thank you for watching.